Good morning student, welcome to our online classes. Today we learn about equivalent fraction, reduced form, shortest form and numerator, denominator, etc. So first of all we learn about equivalent fraction. Okay, so what is equivalent fraction? Equivalent fraction can be defined as fraction that may have different numerator and denominator also, but they are represent the same value. Okay, look clearly, the shaded portion of this figure are equal. So we can say that 1 by 2 equal 2 by 4 equal 3 by 4. So we can say 1 by 2 equal 2 by 4 equal 3 by 6 or equal 4 by 8. Means numerators are different, denominator also different, but they represent same value, because you see the shaded portion of this figure are equal. So we can say equivalent fraction are those which represent the same value. So these fractions are called equivalent fraction. Note that 1 by 2 equal 1 multiply 2 divide 2 multiply 2 equal 1 multiply 3 divide 2 multiply 3 equal 1 multiply 4 divide 2 multiply 4. This means you can multiply the fraction with same number. Okay, you multiply the fraction with same number, like you multiply this fraction with 2. So first you multiply with numerator the same number, then you multiply the denominator with same number. And also this fraction, if you multiply this fraction with 3, then you multiply 3 with numerator and denominator. If you multiply this fraction with 4, so you multiply the fraction with numerator and denominator same number 4, and you get the fraction which are same. Okay, so we can say if the numerator and denominator of a fraction is multiplied by the same number except 0, the value of the fraction remains the same. So value of the fraction remains same. Okay, and an equivalent fraction is obtained. So 4 by 6 is the equivalent fraction of 2 by 3. Okay, I repeat again, if the numerator and denominator of a fraction is multiplied by the same number except 0, the value of a fraction remains same and equivalent fraction is obtained. And also there is another property of equivalent fraction, that is if we look this fraction 60 divide 90, if the numerator and denominator of a fraction divide by the same number, here this is multiply, and here if the numerator and denominator is divided by the same number except 0, the value of the fraction remains same and an equivalent fraction is obtained. It means 6 by 9 is the equivalent fraction of 60 divide 90. Okay, I repeat this property, if the numerator and the denominator of the fraction is divided by the same number except 0, the value of the fraction remains the same and the equivalent fraction is obtained. So 6 by 9 is the equivalent fraction of 60 by 90. Okay, do you understand? If not, you can tell me in the comment section. I will try to understand you. Okay, and if you like this video, you can share, subscribe and like it. If you like this video, you can share and subscribe it. Okay, and I will upload all the chapter wise video solution of R.S. Agrawal book. Okay, I will upload all the chapter wise video solution of the R.S. Agrawal book, and here I discuss about chapter 5 fraction. So exercise 5C fraction. The first question is write 5 fraction equivalent to each of the following. First 5 fraction equivalent to each of the following. So what is the equivalent fraction of 2 by 3? You can multiply this fraction with any natural number. Like 2 by 3, you multiply this with 2. So you can multiply the numerator and denominator of the fraction with same number, 2 into 3 and 3 into 3. You get 6 by 9. Also you can multiply with 4, 2 into 4 and 3 into 4. You get 8 by 20, 8 by 12. Okay, and you multiply these with 5, so you can get 10 by 15, and last 1, 2, 3, you also multiply this fraction with 2, and you also multiply this number with 6. Okay, so here you get 4 divide 6, and here you get 12 divide 18. Okay, so equivalent fraction of 2 by 3 is 6 by 9, 8 by 12 and 10 by 15, 4 by 6 and 12 by 18. And also in question number 2, here we write 5 equivalent fraction of this fraction. So you can multiply this the numerator and the denominator of this fraction with 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and you get this fraction, you get this equivalent fraction like 8 by 10, 12 by 15, 16 by 20, 20 by 25 and 24 by 30. So next we come to question number 2. So question number 2, so we read question number 2. Which of the following are the pairs of equivalent fraction? So how to verify equivalent fraction? If two fractions are equivalent, then the product of one's numerator and the other's denominator is equal to the product of denominator of the fraction and other's numerator of the fraction. So here you can see that the numerator of the first fraction and the denominator of the second fraction, if you multiply this, you get 120, and the numerator of second fraction and denominator of the first fraction, if you multiply this, you get 120. So as these are equal, we can say 5 by 6 and 20 by 24 are equivalent fraction. So I repeat this again. If two fractions are equivalent, then the product of the numerator of the first fraction and the denominator of the second fraction is equal to the product of the numerator of the second fraction and denominator of the first fraction. Okay, so we get same answer or same number. So from here we can see that these fractions are equivalent fraction. And there is another question, that 3 by 8 and 15 by 40, is this equivalent fraction? So we check. Okay, and the numerator of the first fraction and the denominator of the product of the numerator of the first fraction and denominator of the second fraction, we get 120, and the product of numerator of the second fraction and denominator of the first fraction you get 120. So from both fraction we get the product are 120. So here we also can see that these fraction are also equivalent fraction. Okay. So today we discuss about the equivalent fraction and check that the fraction are equivalent or not. So the later part I will discuss the next day. Okay. See you later. Thank you.